Hey everyone, how's it going today? For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Kakashi from Naruto. Now, if you have any other anime characters you would like me to draw, definitely let me know. But I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Kakashi, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and then over. Next, I'll make a line that comes in, and then a line that's going to come down and in, leaving just a little bit white. Then I'm going to make a partial circle in there. Next, over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come over. It's going to come down and in, and then over, leaving just a little space in there. Next, we're going to come down and then up for the other pupil. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. And then another one here, it's going to come up and then down. Now, right across the top, I'm going to make the headband. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up. We're going to come down and then back up here. We'll do another one. We're going to go down and then we're going to bring it up. Same thing here. We're going to go down and up and down and then back up. We'll add a little line here, and then a little line right here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and then I'm also going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve it in and curve it into a point. Now, starting right about here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down. It's going to be more of a curved shape as it comes up here. So we're just going to go up, and then down to here. Then right here, make a line that's going to go down and then over. Make a line that comes up on each side. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, and as it goes down, it's going to go out. It's going to come in and then over for the ear. Same thing here. We're just going to curve out. We go out a little bit, and then we're going to come in and then bring it in here. We're going to bring this line down and bring this line down. Then we're going to curve it around in here. Make a little line right underneath each eye. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to go out and then in, out and in, out and then in here. Same thing here, just kind of down and up, and then out and in. Next, we're going to make this line come down, and then this line come down for the neck. Next, we're just going to curve this around. Starting here, I'm going to make this line go out and in, and then the same thing here, out and in just a little bit. I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this line up. This one, I'm going to curve this across to right about here. go over a little farther. Now for the top of the hair on here, we're going to begin by making a little point, and then we're going to make a bigger point right here. Next, we're going to make a much larger point that's going to come down and up to here. And then we're going to make one that's going to come out and then bring it up. Make another one that's going to come out to a point and back. One more that's going to come up here. And then this one's going to be a really wide one. And it's going to come over here. It's going to curve just a tiny bit as it comes back. We'll make a smaller point here that's going to come up and it'll stop right about there. We'll make one that's going to come up and then down here a little bit farther. We'll make another big point right here, and we'll bring it right to about here. Next, we're going to make one that comes up, and it's going to come down. We'll bring this out and in, and then one more here. And you can see I'm almost touching that headband right there. And then just to finish it off, we'll make one that goes out, and then it's going to come right to the headband. Now we want to draw the plate right on the headband. We'll begin with a curved shape right here. And I'll make another curved shape that's going to go right into the hair. We'll make a line that comes right across. And another line that's going to come across here. Add about 3 long broken lines across the top, just to give it a little bit more of a three-dimensional look. With 3 small circle shapes on each end. Make a little bump here. And then we're going to make a spiral shape right in here. And we're going to bring this right back around. And we'll put a little point on the end. Now starting here, I'm going to make 2 lines that come down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come around and then in. Same thing here, we're just going to come around and then in. I'm going to make this line come out and then down. Same thing here, this line we're going to come out and then down. Bring this in just a little bit. Then we're going to come out and down, out and down. We'll curve these down for the shoulders. And then we're going to bring them straight down. Make a little line that comes up and down on each end. And one more line that's going to come down all the way for the shoulders. Next, I'm going to curve these in just a little bit. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and over, and one more, it's going to go down and over. Same thing here, down and over, and then down and over. A couple little broken lines right along here. Put a circle on each one of these with a U shape right around it for like a little indentation. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and down, and I'll put a second one that comes right across here, over and then down. Same thing here, we're going to go over and down, And we'll just kind of redraw that shape. Put a little line here, and then a little line here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Kakashi from Naruto. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.